uh, people who know about what's going on in different places take advantage of people who don't take care of their and protect their personal information. So if you don't have your identity like insured, and you're not protecting your email accounts, passwords, your social security numbers, and people get a hold of that type of stuff, uh, then you can end up with nobody to help you, because there's just nothing that they can do. And so you kind of have to rebuild from square one.